So what is the crack, everyone? Eoin here from Country Munch, and this week we are talking about sleep. So sleep is the most effective performance enhancing tool you can use, and more importantly, adequate sleep will help with our weight, it'll help with our mood, it'll help with our overall health, our mindset, everything benefits from sleep. So first and foremost, the best thing you can do is have an evening or bedtime routine. So this might be reading, it might be, you know, dimming the lights, it might be going for a shower, going for a bath, whatever it is. Have a routine that you do continuously, and your body will start getting used to kind of slowly shutting down to actual sleep. Number 2 is avoid blue light before bedtime. So roughly an hour to an hour and a half before you go to sleep, you should be avoiding any blue light. So blue light is this. It's your screens on your phone, it is the laptops. The blue light will alert our bodies that it's still daylight. It thinks that the sunlight is still coming in, so our bodies will still stay awake and we will struggle to fall asleep. So either avoid screens before you go to bed, have a night mode on the screens, or you can buy blue light blocking glasses. I wear them as well if I'm on the laptop late at night. So number 3 is make sure your room is pitch dark. Any bit of light at all can affect our sleep, even when our eyes are closed. So you can get blackout blinds, you can get heavy curtains that will block out the light, and just make sure all lights are off, pitch black, and you will sleep like a baby. Also, just on the bedroom, make sure it's only being used as a bedroom. If you're doing study or if you're working in your bedroom, it can actually interfere with your sleep rhythms as well. Your body will associate being in a room as to being in a laptop or being at work, and that can often affect our rhythms and our cycles as well. So just use your bedroom as a bedroom. And then finally, on the food side of things, try and avoid caffeine 4, 5, 6 hours before you go to bed. The caffeine stimulation will keep you awake, and also kind of play around with your carbohydrates. So I have found that eating a kind of heavier carbohydrate meal in the evening time helps me sleep a little bit better, because carbohydrates can help secrete serotonin, and that can make us sleepy. Just play around with that, see if an increase in your carbohydrates closer to bedtime will improve your sleep. It may or may not. It works for me. Everyone is different. And finally, try and get 7 to 9 hours sleep per night. It is easier said than done. I am not the best advocate for this, but my goal is always to try and get 7 to 9 hours sleep. Our circadian rhythms repeat themselves every hour and a half, so try and find the time that suits you best. You know, usually 6 hours, me perfect. I am ready to rock after that. But again, you would probably get more benefit from 8 or 9 hours. I really don't have the time. So just try and get as much as you can. Be consistent with the time you go to sleep, the time you get up. Implement all these tips and tricks, and you will sleep like a baby this week, I promise you. As always, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Tell a friend and keep on cooking.